Cash advance apps ask for tips because some companies use tipping as one way to support their service model, instead of relying only on traditional interest charges. By the end, you'll know why cash advance apps include tipping options, how tips can affect the total cost, and what to check before accepting an advance. The main reason apps ask for tips is that they provide access to money before your next income payment. Instead of charging a traditional loan interest rate, some services give users the option to leave a tip after receiving an advance. A tip may look small when you see it on the screen, but it still increases the total amount you pay back. Before accepting a cash advance, calculate the full cost, including any tip, fee, or optional charge. Another reason apps include tipping is that some companies position the service as a financial tool rather than a traditional loan. The app may use tips as part of how it earns revenue while offering access to short-term funds. The important thing is understanding that a tip is not always the same as a fee. A fee is usually required, while a tip may be optional depending on the EPS policies. Check the app's terms to understand whether the amount is required or voluntary. You should also compare apps based on the total cost, not just the amount of money you receive. Two apps can provide the same advance amount but have different costs depending on fees, optional features, and tipping choices. Before choosing a cash advance app, review 3 things. First, check whether tipping is optional. Second, check whether there are other charges connected to the service. Third, make sure the repayment date fits your budget. If an app asks for a tip and you do not understand why, read the explanation provided by the company or contact support before accepting the advance. Cash advance apps can be useful for short-term expenses, but every cost matters when you are borrowing money. A tip may seem different from a loan fee, but it still affects how much money leaves your account. To summarize, cash advance apps ask for tips as part of their business model. Tips can increase your total repayment amount, and checking the full cost helps you compare options. Before using any cash advance app, review the pricing details and choose an option that fits your financial situation. If this guide helped you understand cash advance app tips, subscribe for more simple money app explanations and comparisons.